Energy efficiencies is definitely the core and the key aspect of our business, because in our business we can't afford downtime, especially for the HVAC system. That is the first thing which gives guests the comfort. Without this, nothing really moves. So we are a hotel which is very sustainable. All our business practices revolve around that. So I think Smart Jewel came up as a fresh breath of air, because after all the investment was done and installation over, we really feel that yes, the system is automated. We don't have to really monitor it, that there is no human intervention. That's what my experience, and the engineer vouches for it. Smart Jewel does come with great credibility, and as I said, body of work, which was very assuring for us to get into it. Secondly, convenience is extremely important for us to move from one place to other. We're dealing with multiple stakeholders, getting things done differently, and then they all fall in sync or not was always a struggle. Here we have one-stop shop where every problem related to the issue is addressed promptly and well in time and satisfactorily. So I think that's helped. We also believe, and as we operate on one big pillar of sustainability, so I think that's taken care well. We've reduced our footprints, carbon footprints. That's extremely important. And lastly, which is very important, is the right usage of CapEx, capital expenditure, and the profitability. So to begin with, we are 30% less on our budget, and that says a lot.
Before the Smart Jewel, we have seen many of ups and downs and bad experience, downtime for the HVAC system. But after Smart Jewel, I don't remember any downtime. And their team, Smart Jewel team, are stationed in the hotel, and they flag any kind of alarms if occurs in the system, and they fix it proactively. Smart Jewels has offered 30% guaranteed saving over the year, and this year we are going to save around 5 lakh in a electricity unit, and carbon footprint will be reduced by 500 tons this year. Yeah, and it's beneficial agreement between both of the partners, Le Méridien and Smart Jewels.